If you're trying to figure out how to get Shopify free trial, this is the video you need to watch. Right now, Shopify is offering an extended 90-plus day free trial, and if you use my special link in the description, you'll unlock the best deal available. Don't go straight to the Shopify website because you won't get this exclusive offer. Only through my link in the description can you activate the full Shopify 3-month free trial. Let me show you step by step how to get the Shopify trial and set up your store in just minutes. First, scroll down and click the link in the description to access the Shopify free trial 90 days offer. Once you're on the page, enter your email and click Start Free Trial. Then create your Shopify account by setting a password and clicking Create Shopify Account. Now, Shopify will ask you a few quick questions, but don't overthink them. You can always change the answers later. Start by selecting Online Store and any other platforms you want to sell on, then hit Next. For the next step, choose I'm not selling products yet, unless you're switching from something like WooCommerce. Then choose the types of products you plan to sell. It can be anything: dropshipping, print on demand, digital downloads, physical products, or even services. Shopify works for all of it. If you're unsure what to sell, use apps like AutoDS or AppScenic inside Shopify to find trending products that already sell well. Click Get Started, and now you'll pick your Shopify plan. I recommend the basic plan. It gives you everything you need to launch and grow your store. You'll enter your billing info to activate the trial, but remember, you won't be charged during the free trial period. After that, just save your business address. Now your Shopify free trial is active. From here, you can start designing your store using Shopify's drag and drop editor, add your products, set up categories, and connect payment methods so you can get paid. You can even connect your store to Instagram, Facebook, and Google Shopping to start selling across all major platforms. When you're ready to make your store public, just go to Online Store, click Themes, and remove the password. The best part? Shopify handles all the hosting, security, and updates for you. It's 100% beginner-friendly and built to help you launch quickly and grow faster. If you've been searching for how to get Shopify free, how to get Shopify 3-month trial, or how to start an online store, this is your answer. But don't wait. This exclusive Shopify free trial 3 months deal might not be available for long. Click the link in the description right now to activate your Shopify free trial and start building your own online business today. Take action while this deal is still active. Use my link below and start your journey with Shopify.